Hey everyone, I am Erica from Rick's Review Hub and welcome back to the channel. If you are exhausted from vacuuming pet hair every single day, if mopping sticky spots feels like a never-ending battle, or if you just want floors that stay clean so you can actually enjoy your home instead of constantly cleaning it, then you are going to love what I have for you today. We are reviewing the iRobot Roomba Plus 505 Combo Robot Vacuum and Mop. This smart 2-in-1 robot vacuums and mops at the same time, empties itself into a self-emptying AutoWash dock, washes its own mop pads, and keeps your home noticeably cleaner with almost no daily effort. Head over to Amazon using a link in the description and check it out. Trust me, this is the kind of upgrade that changes how you live in your space. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours and help support the channel at the same time. Let us break down the features of the Roomba Plus 505 combo. It is a true 2-in-1 with powerful vacuuming and simultaneous mopping using dual spinning microfiber pads that actively scrub hard floors while it picks up dust, crumbs, and debris. The AutoWash dock is a game changer. It empties a dustbin into a sealed bag that holds up to 60 days of dirt, washes the mop pads with clean water, dries them with warm air to prevent mold and odor, and refills the clean water tank automatically. Smart PrecisionVision Navigation uses a front camera and AI to recognize over 100 objects like pet waste, cords, socks, shoes, and toys, so it avoids them completely and cleans more efficiently. The robot lifts the mop pads automatically when it detects carpets to keep rugs dry. Dirt Detect technology senses dirtier areas and boosts suction and scrubbing power right where you need it. The high-efficiency filter captures 99% of allergens and dust. Battery life covers most average homes on a single charge, and it returns to the dock automatically when low. The iRobot app is super easy. Schedule cleanings, set keep-out zones, create no-go areas, view detailed cleaning maps and reports, and start or pause remotely. It works with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Home. Setup is quick. Place the dock, download the app, and let it map your home on the first run. The mop pads are easy to attach and remove for occasional rinsing or replacement. Real-world use is where this robot really shines. It handles pet hair without tangling, picks up everyday debris from hard floors, and the dual spinning pads scrub light spills, footprints, and sticky spots so your tiles, wood, or laminate stay fresh. The self-emptying and mop-washing dock means you rarely touch dirt or wet pads. PrecisionVision keeps it from bumping into things or spreading messes. The app lets you schedule around your day and start a quick spot clean from your phone if something spills. It is quiet enough to run while you work, relax, or have the kids playing. The dock is compact and sleek, so it does not take over your space. Pros and cons, time to keep everything transparent. The pros are impressive. The 2-in-1 vacuum and mop saves huge time by doing both jobs in one pass. The AutoWash dock handles emptying, washing, drying, and refilling so you barely touch it. PrecisionVision Navigation avoids obstacles and pet messes reliably. Mop pads lift automatically on carpets to protect rugs. Dirt Detect focuses extra effort on dirty areas. The app is intuitive with excellent customization. It is quiet enough for everyday use. The filter traps allergens for healthier air. Reviewers say it keeps homes cleaner with far less effort, especially in pet homes and busy families. On the con side, the upfront price is premium, though the AutoWash dock adds massive value. Mop pads need occasional manual rinsing or replacement. It is not designed for very thick carpets or extremely large homes. First mapping can take a couple of runs on complex layouts. These are typical for high-end combo robots, and the pros far outweigh them for most people who want convenient, reliable cleaning. My recommendation? Yes, 100%. Get the iRobot Roomba Plus 505 combo if you want powerful vacuuming and mopping in one robot, self-emptying and self-washing convenience, smart obstacle avoidance, and cleaner floors with minimal daily work. It is perfect for busy households, pet owners, families, or anyone who wants more time and less chore stress. If these honest smart home reviews are helping you upgrade your cleaning game, hit subscribe for more breakdowns and click that affiliate link in the description. It gets you the best deal and keeps the channel going strong at no extra cost to you. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a ton for watching. If this convinced you to reclaim your weekends from cleaning, give it a like, share with a friend who hates chores, or subscribe for more. See you next time.